bakit ginawang coach si Doc Rivers sa All-Star? Pwede naman yung coach ng Orlando. Diba? Parang
When the number 3 team.
Powercast Sports. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This content is presented by Arena Plus, Astig sa Sports.
Para so, well, gano'n talaga, Miami needs to have another big.
Pero ito lang,
pero ito naman,
bakit ginawang coach si Doc Rivers sa All-Star? Pwede naman yung coach ng Orlando. Diba? Parang
when the number 3 team, ang akin, nilalaban ko yung number 3 team ng East.
Siyempre yung Orlando from the bottom yun last season eh. Diba? Tapos ngayon, nasa top sila. So parang bakit hindi kinonsider yung coach na yun?
But wala tayong magagawa dun, Brother James, kasi yun yung tradition talaga ng All-Star eh.
It was supposedly Adrian Griffin kasi.
Voting kasi yan, Brad.
Hindi po yung All-Star.
No, it's not voting eh. It's nasa laro talaga, nasa standing ng teams eh. Orlando is like number 8 yata ang Orlando ngayon, 8 or 7 yata ang Orlando eh. So you can put their coach as
actually pero yung pinanggaling niya ni Doc Rivers, di ba, Philadelphia?
Wala. Yung galing siya sa ESPN, yun.
Okay.
Hindi, kasi ganito nga, pinalitan na, kasi nga, yung kay Adrian Griffin nga na post, kinuha niya. That's the thing.
Yun yung punto doon, no?
Kinuha niya yung post ni Adrian Griffin. Dapat, supposedly, it's Adrian Griffin. Ang problema, finar na Milwaukee si Adrian Griffin.
Yes.
And that time, number 2 in Milwaukee.
Yeah.
According
now,
to
yung
Yahoo
coach
Sports,
ng Milwaukee ngayon, na si Doc Rivers, siya mapupunta sa kanya.
According to Yahoo Sports, Rivers got the job by having the best record among the East teams with eligible coaches by February 4. The Bucks currently sit 36 and 16, the second in the country. Joe Mazzulla, the head coach of the East leading Boston Celtics, is not eligible for the
yan na, sana maliwanagan kayo.
Hindi
na pagbuha ng coach.
Anyway, meron pa tayong isa pang team.
After 3 games.
Buenas din ito ni Doc Rivers eh, no? Ginawa ko lang ng trabaho, no? Kahit ilang beses na siya nag-choke sa playoffs, no? Ilang games, ilang series ng...
Well, welcome sa choke.
Sinabi siya ng ESPN, ha?
Welcome sa playoff choke.
Hindi nawawala ng trabaho. Malakas ang kapit ito sa mga...
Malakas yan. Malakas yung kapit niya.
Next.